Would you believe me if I say you could earn money just by speaking? Yes, you heard it right. You can earn $400 in just 20 minutes speaking random words. If this excites you, then make sure to watch the entire video, as it'll show you the exact step-by-step process on how to get it done. Hey guys, welcome to Money Machine. Here we will be guiding you with an exact step-by-step process on how you could start making money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification, as you don't want to miss on new ways to making money online. Let's get started. To earn $400 in just 20 minutes, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video until the end and follow the exact step-by-step process to get similar results. The method that I'm going to tell you today is 100% free and is available worldwide. No experience needed, no skills needed, no investment needed, and you could be doing this from anywhere in the world. All you have to do is click on the record button and start speaking. Before I tell you the name of the website, make sure to hit that like button and also comment down below if you have any queries or suggestions. And if you are interested to know how I make money online, then go ahead and check out the first link in the description. Without further ado, let's get started. The first website that I'm going to tell you about is acx.com. Acx is a marketplace where authors, publishers can connect with narrators, recording studios, and other producers capable of producing a finished audiobook. This is how you get paid. Now, what I want you guys to do is click on the microphone, where it says, "Are you an actor or producer?" Click on that and it will take you to a different page, and there you can find a button where it says, "Find a book for your voice." If you click on that, there you will find 1,500 plus titles that match. Here you can go and select any book that you like and get paid. Here, as you can see, you can get paid anywhere between $200 to $400 for just 60 minutes of speaking. If you like the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know if this method has helped you earn money in any way. The second website that I'm going to tell you is voices.com. As you can see, the voices here are used by the world's most trusted brands, which are Spotify, History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Time, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, Hulu, and so much more. This website is legit, pays out to people every single day, so you receive all the payments via PayPal, check, or bank transfer. There are also other payment methods, so you don't have to worry. On this website, there will be a lot of different categories and different projects, which will be available for you. I will also be suggesting you which category you should choose, which will give you the most money, and also you can select on a whole list of different projects. Once you select your favorite project, it will give you a script or a template, which contains all the words which you will read. You just have to record your voice, and they are going to pay you depending on how long the project is. You can do it for less than 2 minutes, you can do it for 15 minutes, or you can even do it for over 4 to 5 minutes. It all depends on the project. What you will love about this website is that they have unlimited opportunities for you. There are a lot of genre here, and there are a lot of new job postings every single day, so you don't have to worry about anything. If there is a project which will only require 5 minutes voice over, then it means all you have to do is to take less than 10 minutes of work a day, and that's it. You are going to earn money. So if you have nothing to do at your home and you have a lot of time in your hands, then you do whatever you desire here, whether it be a short voice over or an hour-long voiceover. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. Let's get back to the video. Now, you guys might be having a question that I don't have a microphone. Do I need to buy a professional microphone? The answer is no. You guys can record your voiceover on your mobile phone, tablet, or if you want a better voiceover, then you can just use your headphones to give you a better sound clarity. Here, all you have to do is read the scripts that they provide you. You don't need to show your face or reveal your identity. It's as simple as that. Now, I want you guys to click on the sign up button on the top right corner. Once you click on the sign up button, it will ask you, what are you looking for? Now, I want you guys to click on the right button, which is Find Work as a Talent. Once you click on that button, you will be redirected to a sign up page where you have to fill in your name, your email address, and password, and click on the I agree button and then continue. If you want, you can also sign up with your Google account here by clicking on this button. This makes the process much simpler. Once you are done signing up, then you will see a lot of categories like education, gaming, financial service, and many more. You can choose from whichever best suits your interest. I will be showing you which category will help us earn a lot of money. These categories are beginner-friendly and work across the country like the United States, Philippines, India, and many more. The categories that will help you make a lot of money are education, advertising, and gaming. Amongst these, you can choose category which best suits your interest. I would choose the education category because people across the world are looking for voiceover artists who can give their voice to their educational product, for example, an audiobook or an educational tutorial video. Once you select the job you like, you will see all the details mentioned below. For example, what is the nature of work? How much money are you being paid? What is the time duration, and much more. In this case, make sure to select a job profile where the time duration is more. In this way, you can earn even more money. Bonus tip: Voice.com also have their mobile application. If you don't have a PC or a laptop, then you can download their application and start making money instantaneously. That's it for today, guys. If you liked the video, then don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways of making money online. See you guys later.